Enjoying the story? Subscribe to Samir Daily English. Turn on the bell icon for more slow English stories.
The fire is getting bigger!
Backup power is on. Keep spraying! Welcome to Miami.
This is amazing!
Stay together.
Have a wonderful trip.
Enjoy your cruise.
We're going on the ship!
Welcome aboard.
Thank you so much.
You know, one more time. No. This place is beautiful.
This is our room.
Open it! I can't wait!
This room is beautiful.
Look at the ocean!
That horn is so loud.
Let's explore the ship.
This elevator is so cool. Wow! This place is incredible! Dad, do you smell something burning? Why is he running?
I see smoke.
Stay calm.
Call the captain! Mayday, Mayday, this is Seabreeze. We are taking on water.
I'm on my way. Move quickly!
Is everything okay? What is that light?
Attention, everyone. Please stay calm. Please stay calm.
What's happening?
Please stay calm. There is a small emergency. Please get your life jackets. Follow me, follow me. Close.
The smoke is getting bigger.
Get inside. Let's get these on quickly.
Put them on now.
Follow the exit signs. This way, please. Follow the green signs. Hold the railing.
Stay together.
Everyone, move this way. Stay away from the smoke.
The smoke is getting worse.
Go now, through that door. Follow this route. Stand in your assigned area.
The fire is being contained.
What was that sound? The fire is getting bigger!
Stay calm. Follow the crew. Follow the crew. Move! Move!
The fire is spreading!
The lights are gone!
Backup power is on. Mayday! We immediate assistance. We need immediate assistance.
We're on our way.
Get ready to board!
Our turn is coming.
Step carefully.
I'll help him.
Thank you.
Take my hand. Keep spraying!
We're going down. We're safe for now.
Look! The Coast Guard is coming.
They're here! We are finally going to be safe now!
Move! Let's go!
Keep the pressure up!
Everything will be okay.
Look! A rescue helicopter!
Everyone is leaving safely. Everyone is out.
The fire is under control.
Mission complete.
We made it.
We're finally here.
Careful.
Everyone looks okay.
Thank you for saving us.
I'll never forget today.
We're together.
Stay calm. Stay together. We survived because we never gave up.